Hey everyone, it's Mr. Fry, and I thought I'd post a geometry video real quick for you guys on similar triangles. It's good stuff. Let's take a look at one of your pretest problems that we have, and it's right here on the screen. It's triangle LMN is similar to PQR, similar being that symbol right there in between. We have a similar triangle, one a little bit smaller. LMN is smaller than PQR. And what's cool about this problem is that the little triangle has all the sides labeled, all the legs labeled, and then the big one does not. And so you need to recognize that because we have two corresponding sides, LM and PQ, we can go ahead and find its scale factor. Once we find the scale factor, we can go ahead and find all the missing sides. So let's find the scale factor first. Alright, so let's click over here. We have line LM is, we'll say, similar to line PQ. So line PQ. And PQ is 12 and LM is 9. So 9 over 12. So we write as a little fraction or a ratio. Looks like a fraction, smells like a fraction, but it's not a fraction. It's a ratio. So we're going to go ahead and simplify that because we know that 9 and 12 has a common factor of 3. So I divide 3 out of both of them and I get 3/4. And I can't simplify that anymore because I divided both of them by the top and bottom by 3. That allows me to simplify that. So 3/4 is now my scale factor. So I'm going to write scale factor right there. Alright, now we know the scale factor. So now we need to go back to the problem in our homework. And let me clear the page here. The scale factor is 3/4. So if it's 3/4, that means 15. We can go back and find QR and PR. So if MN is 15, and that is similar to QR, and then the other similar side that we have is LN, which is 21. So we have LN, and that one's 21. And that is also similar to, let's go back to the other page, PR. We can find those missing sides. Alright, bear with me on the handwriting. I'm learning this new bamboo pad. Alright, so the scale factor was 3/4. So now we're trying to find the QR. So I'm going to write the QR, here's the MN first. And we don't know what this one is. So we use the scale factor that we originally found and say to ourselves, what times 3 equals 15? Well, obviously it's going to be 5. Well, the property of equality says what I do the top must do the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply that boy by 5, and I get 20. QR is 20. Alright, and now let's go use the same scale factor because they're proportional or similar. I can say 3/4 over here, and I have 21 over, we don't know yet, so we need to do the guess game here. What times 3 equals 21? Well, it's 7. So when we do the top, we must do the bottom. Got to have that property of equality. And we say to ourselves, all right, 4 times 7 is 28. So PR is now 28. So now we found all 3 sides of that triangle. QR, let me clear the page. QR is 20 and PR is 28. Why is that possible? Because we have a scale factor of 3/4. Alright, hope that helps you guys use scale factor and finding similar triangle parts. Scale factors are cool. They're just simplified ratios. Thanks for listening.